Hello guys, it's Martin here from a rainy Blackpool Automart. So I'm sorry if you get a little bit of rain coming into the frame. A rain in the frame, like it. Right, look at this car. Audi Q7 S-Line 2017, just landed into stock. These are absolutely great news, these. What a stunning car this is. And the reasons for these videos really, it's just eyes on the ground really, just showing you bits around the car, showing you any areas of concern that we will look at. That's a salesman there walking past. So I'll show you the bodywork on the car first. Everything's fine, no issues on the bodywork at all. I know it's difficult because the car's wet, but I can rest assured there isn't. There is a couple of issues on the alloy wheels, which I'll show you now. As you can see, there's a little bit of curb damage there, and a little bit of curb damage on this one as well, just on the edge. These will get sorted. We have a branch over in Lancaster that do diamond cut wheels, so it'll be going there very soon to have the wheels recut. I think this one's okay. Yeah, that one's fine. And I think that one's fine. So it needs a couple of wheels diamond cutting, which isn't a problem. We're quite used to it. We do get the majority of our cars done depending on age and miles, but a 17 plate car of this quality and price will get pretty much everything it needs done to it, give or take. Okay, let's get inside and show you inside the car. There's a lovely flat bottom steering wheel. She's an automatic, as you can see, heated black leather with electric seats and lumbar support. You've got memory seats on this car as well, which you'd expect. Obviously electric windows front and back, and electric mirrors, auto lights, auto wipers, cruise control, paddle change if you wanted to drive it in a manual mode on the steering wheel. Right, let's jump in. Okie dokie. The mileage is, I don't know if you can see that with the reflection, 552,457, which is nice miles for a 4-year-old car, about right. Coming down here to well, the centre of everything sort of operates from here, from your start stop button, your volume, your iDrive, your media, your radio, your nav, your telephone, your menu, your different channels, and electric parking brake. Auto hold is there as well. Heated seats here. Obviously it's got sat nav as well. That's the SD card that operates the navigation. S-Line logo on the steering wheel, and there's your cruise control lever just under the steering wheel. So let's start her up. I know you're not going to probably hear the car, but you'll see everything that starts to operate and starts to come to life. Turn that music down. I'll just move the seat slightly forward. Right, so we're in the car now, obviously showing you bits and bobs around it. That's the navigation, and you can obviously flick to whatever you want on here. Yeah, media, radio. You can Bluetooth your Spotify across to it, as you all probably know this already. Oh, she's fired up again, as old Madonna. So yeah, on your steering wheel you've got obviously your navigation there, your volume. Across there you've got your different ways you want to read your speedo. You could get your onboard computer, digital speedo. That's probably the most common one when you've got that large digital speedo in the middle. This car's got BOSE speakers, which you can't get better than that, not in my eyes anyway. Brilliant sound in this car. I said to you before, yeah, 3-stage heated seats, cup holder, centre armrest, which is nice. You've got thigh extensions here when they pop out. It is the quattro, this car, as you can see, which means 4. That tells me it's 4-wheel drive. Locking wheel nut, full book pack in there. It's always a problem, a locking wheel nut going missing, but that's in there. The car will be serviced by our Seat technicians, as Seat is part of the VAG group. Volkswagen, Audi and Skoda are all part of the same group, so that's great. Our Seat lads in the workshops just over there will be servicing this car. So yeah, all in all, cracking car. It's got a lot of spec, being the S-Line. I do like these 7s. They are a lovely, lovely looking car. Fully loaded with spec, nice miles, nice history, 2 keys. Like I say, full book pack. She's automatic, which is the only transmission you want in something like this. Lovely sound system, being BOSE. Auto memory seats as well. So if someone else jumps in it, they press their button, and the seats and everything goes to the position that they had it in last. Oh, you've got your little spoiler there that will pop up and down if you want it to at the back. That comes out of the just in front of the boot. I can hear it operating there. No, it's gone back away. I think that comes up at a certain speed, that spoiler. When you get to a certain speed, it just lifts up at the back, just to keep the car back end from drifting. Right, I'll turn her off. So she's a push button on there, stop. She's off now. Just finish off outside, and I'll tell you a bit about our company when I'm finishing off. I think the rain's holding off a little bit now. It's not as bad now. I'll just jump out. Sorry about the camera movemental. So I had to get out of the car without the camera moving around. Anyway, there you go. That's the lovely, lovely car. It's not going to be here long, and we've only got the one. If you want to reserve this car, you can, by all means. Just a small deposit of £100 takes this car off sale and stops anyone else buying it. It's you need to go to our website, which is Cox Motor Group, coxmotorgroup.com. Find this car. You're probably looking at this car on Auto Trader, so if you go onto our main website, our own website, coxmotorgroup.com, find the car, click the reservation button. It will send us a notification that you reserved it, and it's all done subject to you viewing the car, subject to you driving the car, etc. If the car isn't right or isn't as described, we will refund you your deposit, no questions asked. So nothing to lose really. And like I said to you outside, electric tailgate there, as I said to you inside the car, we haven't got a row of these. It's not as if, no, this one's gone, we've got 5 more to show you. It's the only one we have. So it's going to get a lot of attention, this car. I just know it is that sort of car that does. We price our cars very aggressively. We don't discount our cars because we price them cheap. And our stock turnover is unbelievably fast because we price them right. So if you want to grab yourself a stunning car, and if this is the sort of car you've been looking for some time, probably won't find a nicer one at this price. Anyway, about our company, we're, like I say, part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. That's our parent company. We're a family-owned business. We are in the northwest. We're predominantly based in the northwest of the UK. We're Wigan, Southport, obviously here in Blackpool, Lancaster, Kendal. We have 16 dealers across the northwest of the UK, obviously 3 of them here. There's our Seat dealer, there's us Automart next door, that's our Honda Bikes dealer, huge dealership. Just across the road is our flagship Honda dealership here in Blackpool. Workshops are next door, Seat workshops are next door to them, valet bays are over there, and our paint and body clinic that do all any paint work and scuffs, etc. is there in the distance. So everything's done on site other than alloy wheels recutting. That needs to go to our Lancaster Volkswagen branch, because they have in their body shop they have a diamond cut lathe to do the alloy wheels. Extremely busy at the minute, as you can imagine. Most people do touch the front alloys. The near side one is the common one to be curbed because it's the one nearest to the curb. However, like I said to you earlier, these will be done on this car. There's no way we're going to leave them. Anyway, that's the car. That's a little bit about our company. coxmotorgroup.com if you want to reserve this stunning A7, and it's all subject to you looking at the car, so you've nothing to lose really. Anyway, my name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely, lovely A7 TDI Quattro. Give me a call if you want any more info. If you want a personalised video of the car, looking at anything in specific, I can send that to you with a thing what we use here called See It Now. This is more of a generic video, but I can do one personally to you, and it'll come direct to your mobile phone. If you wish, by all means give me a call, 01253 600 900. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager here. If I'm not available, you can speak to my colleague. His name is Cork Shelton. We alternate here when we have days off and stuff, so if I'm not available, by all means give Cork a call, 01253 600 900. Anyway, thanks for viewing this lovely car today, appreciate it. Hopefully we'll hear from someone very, very soon. I'm pretty sure we will. Take care, bye for now.